fourth property is that multiplication by 0. In this property, the product of any integer and 0 is always 0. Okay, suppose I have taken 3 into 0, always it will become 0, or minus 5 or minus 5 into 0, always 0. Means by, if you will multiply any greatest number with 0, the resultant always come 0. The resultant value always it will be 0. This is known as the multiplication by 0. Now next rule is multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity means the product of any integer and here we have taken 0, here we will take 1, is the product of any integer and 1 is always the integer itself. Means if we will multiply any integer, suppose I have taken minus 7 multiplied by 1, what will come? Minus 7. If I will take 102 multiplied by 1, what will come? 102. It means if we will multiply any integer by 1, the what will be? What the result will come? The number itself. Or here we are proving the properties for the integer, so we are saying that the integer itself it will come. This is known as the multiplicative identity. And now last is that distributive property. Distributive property over addition. Try to understand this now. You have learned this property also previously, but just see. A into B plus C is always equal to A into B plus A into C. See that. If A is multiplied by B plus C, where A, B, C are 3 integers, okay, then how they will, what the result will come? A into B and in between plus and then A into C, means firstly this will multiply to this and then in second one this will multiply to this. And same thing is distributive property over subtraction. Same property is also for the subtraction also. See that A into B minus C is equal to, first write them A into B, then this minus sign will come in between of them and next way A into C. If you will learn all these properties, then you will not have any problem in doing or in solving exercise 1.3. Okay, now we are proceeding to exercise 1.3. One more thing I would like to tell you in this chapter, that if we multiply negative value, negative any integer, negative value, odd number of times is equal to negative answer. Okay, it is written in your book also. If we multiply negative value, means any negative integer, minus 3 suppose, for example, just see, minus 3 we are multiplying minus 3 to the power 5. Okay, it means minus 3 will be multiplied 5 times. See that how we can write minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 into minus 3. What I explained you just now, that negative answer will come, means there is no need, you just count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and all the numbers should have negative sign. Then at that time you just put negative, means now. And next step what you will do, just multiply the number. 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 23 7 ja 9 9 ja 27, 27 3 ja 81, 81 3 ja 243 or 243 3 ja 729. What will come? 729. Now maybe everybody of you have understood what I would like to explain you. Okay, means if the negative value will be multiplied odd number of times, means they are in odd numbers, means you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 times we are multiplying and 5 with the odd number. So there is how it is coming, just try to understand that also. These minus into minus, when we will multiply, they will become plus. Here minus into minus, they will become plus, and one minus will left, then plus into minus, what will come? Minus. In this way this result comes. Okay, now and rule 2 is there. This is rule 1 or note 1, or now rule 2. Rule 2 is that negative value, if negative value is multiplied even number of times, what will come? Even number of times, positive result will come. Positive result or answer will come. Suppose just see, minus 2 to the power, suppose it is written 324. You can see that. Now in the question he will not ask that you multiply minus 2 up to 324 times and then write the result. No, he will ask that what kind of result will come. At that time you will see that 324 is the positive power. Okay, and you are multiplying negative number how many times? 324 times. So you can see that 324 is a even number. So what kind of result will come? Even result will come. Even result will come. Okay, now up to, if you have clear up to here, then we are proceeding to the exercise, that is exercise 1.3 now. Before reaching to the exercise, again revise all the rules whatever you have learned till here, and then we are proceeding to the exercise so that you may understand the topic very easily, or you will not have any problem if you are clear in your rules. Okay, just wait. Now see that exercise 1.3, question number 1, find the following product. First part is 45 into minus 1. Just now we have learned rule, if we will multiply any integer with 1, then the same means the answer will be the integer itself. You can see 45 into 1, 45, and because it is multiplying with minus 1, so minus 45 will come. Okay, now see that B part, minus 32 into 0 into minus 25, and one rules multiplication by 0 also we have learned, that if we will multiply any integer with 0, what will come? We have written that at that time we have learned that if we will multiply any integer with 0, then 0 will come. So there is no take any pain, there is no need to take any pain, just write 0 directly. Okay, now see that C part, minus 19 into minus 45, minus 19 into minus 45. Here you can see minus 19 and minus 45. How we can write that? Minus into minus, because in between of them minus sign is there. If here it will be plus sign, at that time we will apply the rules as we were doing previously, but here into sign is there, so minus into minus is always plus. Now multiply 19 into 45, not whatever result will come, that you will write here in the answer. You will do this yourself. Okay. Now see that D part. What is D part? Minus 18 into 5 into minus 4. See that. Minus 18 into 5 into minus 4. See that. You can see how many times minus is there? 2 times. 2 times minus is there. Just now we have learned if minus sign will be multiplied even number, and you know 2 is even number. So what kind of result will come? For even number plus positive result will come. Now multiply the number and write your answer. Just simple is there, nothing is there. Maybe everybody of you are understanding. See that minus sign is multiplying how many times? 2 times. So 2 is positive. Minus sign is, you can write here, minus sign is how many times? 2 times. So what kinds of result will come? Positive result will come. Now multiply the numbers and find the answer. Now see that E part. Minus 12 into minus 40 into minus 3 into minus 9. Okay. See that now. First of all, count minus sign. How many times it is? 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus sign. How many times? 4 times. 4 is even number. So what kind of result will come? Positive result. Now what you will do? Write positive. Okay. And now multiply all the values and find your answer. In this way, you will complete the rest of the part of this question also. Now maybe everybody of you have understood how you have to complete question number first. Then I am moving to the question number 2 now.